doing it.
What is your job?
I'm doing it.
What is your job? What do you work?
I work for myself.
And what do you do?
Why are you asking me all these questions?
Because I don't know who you are. You're on my road, and you're over here.
Your road?
I don't know what you're doing. What you could tell me.
Hey guys, we have a video of a bootlicker who thinks he owns the world and the streets. So a man is driving by and he parks his vehicle, and on the back window it says, "F the cops." Well, this guy's gonna creep up in his gangster golf cart and act all tough. He's gonna threaten the man down with a beating, and he's also gonna threaten to shoot the guy. You guys go subscribe to Blue Line Whistleblower, let him know I sent you. Here we go, folks.
I heard sirens from my house, so I went to investigate, see what was going on. And I seen the sheriff's department running code 3 to a house. So I stopped just a little bit down the road and started to record, and this guy pulled up on me. He seems to think that he owns the road just because it's in front of his house. I pressed charges on him for assault, and I guess we'll see if the sheriff's department does their job. Hey,
Who are you?
who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I live here.
Okay.
You don't.
You live here?
Yeah, I own the property here. And I see this car that's got all this crap on it. It makes me a little uncomfortable. I don't know who you are, where you come from. And you sit over here watching people and shit like you're either on drugs or scoping the place out and shit. I don't know what the hell you're doing here.
Right now, I was seeing what was going
I'm
on
not
here.
mad. I just want to know who the fuck you are and what's going on, you know?
Right now, I came here because all the time everybody hauling ass this way, and that's why I'm sitting there.
I'm not sure if you guys see what I see here. The old man is extremely aggressive. This approach is one that I've seen before. In just a few seconds, he's going to threaten the man to shoot him. And I can guarantee you that this old man or his wife are packing. Now the old man begins acting concerned, but quickly escalates that with expletives and threats. His hand is also on the vehicle, which constitutes a direct threat. Now this old man comes out acting all mafioso, but in my opinion, if he does this exact same thing to someone who has absolute situational awareness and he's also packing, this man could have found himself taking the asphalt temperature challenge. In other words, he's lucky us First Amendment activists usually only carry cameras. Now this also may be a good time to bring up the fact that the Second Amendment was written to protect the First. And watch how quickly things change if everyone wakes up and becomes privy to that. Alright folks, keep watching the video.
We're close by.
Do you have a job?
Yeah,
What's your job?
I'm doing it.
What is your job?
I'm doing it.
What is your job? What do you work?
I work for myself.
And what do you do?
Why are you asking me all these questions?
Because I don't know who you are. You're on my road, and you're over here.
Your road?
I don't know what you're doing. You could tell me.
I mean, this is. What do you mean?
This
you're-
ain't a
what
public
do you mean?
road, buddy.
It shows it's a public road.
This
so.
is not. You don't have no business on this road.
Yeah,
I don't know what your business is. As far as I know, you're over here trying to rob my shit. I don't know that.
And regardless of what I tell you,
Well, I just want to know what the hell you're doing here. That's all.
I told you what I was
Would
doing.
you like it if I hung out at your house?
I'm not hanging out at your house.
I know. Yeah, you are. I own the property right here. That's my property line.
Right where?
Right here. Right there. Right there in that corner. I lease this place. So I want to know what the hell you're doing here. Is that a fair question?
I told you what I was doing.
No, you didn't. You just said you were sitting here.
I told you I came here.
You saw all the cars and shit, but this isn't the first time I've seen you.
Alright guys, so you're about to hear it. The real reason why this bootlicking piece of shit, thugged out, mafioso-like old buzzard is talking shit is because of the fuck cop sign on the back of the window. His ass hurts. He's got that boot stuck all the way down his throat. He loves that taste of that boot shine. And let me tell you guys something else about these bootlickers that you may not know. These fools love violence. They absolutely love violence when it happens to you. They cheer that shit on like it's a sport. Your rights being violated, they don't care. That's why I'm harsh on bootlickers, because they love the violent comments towards you. One thing we have to understand about these bootlickers is their communist ideologies. Oh yeah, I said it. Keep watching.
And then you got all this bullshit, fuck the cops and all this bullshit on here.
Yep, for
People that do shit like that got a problem. They got a mental problem. Or they got in trouble with the law or something.
No, that's not it either.
Well, I want to know what the hell you're doing here.
I just told you what I was doing here.
What?
I came here because the sirens were coming this way.
Why were you sitting on the road the other day, scoping this house out?
Scoping what house out?
You sitting over on the side of the road the other day. This is the third time
I pull over to use my phone. I mean,
no, you wouldn't. You wouldn't use your phone. What bullshit, man.
what was I doing
I don't
then?
know who you are.
You don't have to know who I am.
Who are you?
It doesn't.
You
I'm.
want me to beat the
I.
shit out of you? You
What?
want me to pull a gun and shoot your ass?
You know. You just committed assault.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Just by saying that,
Do
that's
you want
assault.
something
There's
shit
a dip.
like that to happen?
There's a difference in assault and then battering, actually
I'm not.
physically.
I'm trying
No,
to-
no, no. You just threatened me.
I'm-
Hey,
I'm-
you just said you would. I like you to get out and whip my ass and shoot me. I'm not sure. 'Cause I know most of them.
You know what?
And I got you on video.
I don't know.
Well, you will whenever I file charges on you.
Why you
What
wanna
are you
file
threatening me for?
I'm not. I want
Yes,
to know
you
why
are.
you're on my property acting weird.
I just
That's all
told you what
wanna
I was
know.
doing.
I want to know why you're sitting here on my property.
And that's where the video cuts off, folks. I'm going to read to you what it says in the description of his video. Hi, seen the sheriff's department headed to the house near my house and followed them over there, parking a little bit down the road to get some distance because I didn't know what was going on. That's when this guy came up and started interrogating me. He thinks he owns the road from his house. Broke my phone and assaulted me by punching me in the head while trying to take my phone. I pressed charges on him for the assault. I guess we'll see if Tom Green County Sheriff's Department does their job or not. I'm doubtful because the deputy didn't even bother looking at my video before going to talk to him. I was given an email address to send it to them, but it won't allow me to send an email to this address. So I'll be going to the sheriff's department Monday morning to make sure they get this video. Or if you want to point this video out to them, give them a call at 325-655-8111. With that being said, folks, you guys go subscribe to this dude's channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you guys have any videos that you want us to review, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at them. Let us know if you want us to highlight your channel, or let us know if you want us to keep you anonymous. We can do that for you. One of the things that's important to us, folks, is the First Amendment. We want to make sure that you understand your rights. So we're going to help you out right quick. What is the First Amendment, folks? Great question. Let me answer that. You have a freedom of religion. You can pray to any God or pray to no God. You have the freedom of speech. You have the freedom of press, which means you can go and ask questions and document that. You can record any public official on the course of their duties. You have a freedom to assemble with friends and family and talk about what's going on in government. And if you find something wrong, you also have a freedom to petition your government. Let them know that they're doing wrong. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. We hope that you learned something from this channel. If you do, hit that thumbs up, subscribe now, hit that bell so you don't miss our future videos. Share this channel with friends and family because they too will learn their rights. All right, folks, enough said. Peace out.